So, welcome to another guide, and this guide is for creating a Rackspace deployment. With Rackspace deployment, we have many options to use. First, you can select your region if you want, and we will install WordPress. So we need not to do anything. Just we selected the option. Here we will use an example domain name. It must be a fully qualified domain name. It might be a subdomain like demo.thecustomizedwindows.com or a subfolder like thecustomizedwindows.com/example. Your administrative username and password will be of Rackspace account. You can change your operating system or the RAM. Up to 30 GB is allowable in this setup for public cloud, and you can install Mailgun or New Relic if you want. So within few seconds it will show some things. So 4 parts of the infrastructure is already created by the automated system. So fine. So this is actually the URL which for our example will not reach because we are not using an open domain and not configured it. It is already running on a different server node, a cluster of server, and this is a load balancer. You can use these features, enable the features after reading the specific instruction set, and after a few minutes it will get ready, and you need just to copy paste the output because you will need for the private key port for command line access. So here it goes with any simple text editor like TextEdit or Notepad. And this is the master server. So the IP address is the actual location of the WordPress installation. Here is the IP address. This is public net. If you point towards this IP address, we will see the example which we created. Correct. So as it is not rightly configured, it will redirect to our original server and throw a 404 error. So we need to configure the DNS, and it must be rightly configured. For example, in this example, it is thecustomizedwindows.com, and you can change the time to live, and you can install a monitoring agent. It is very useful, and here is written how you can increase the RAM in case you want to change, and here is the command for command line interface. You just need to go to item 2 or any command line application just copy paste it. Do not need this. Just this was just created for this guide. And for login, you just need to copy paste the command. This, and the password obviously will be your Rackspace accounts password plus your private key is already supplied. And here are all the manual commands if in case you need the manual commands. However, with deployment you will not require any kind of command as for the default settings goes. So thank you very much.